Hey there, sunshine! It is my favorite time of the month. Here in my hand, I have my February Quirky Crate box. I am so excited. If you have never heard of this box, girl, you have been missing out. This box brings me so much joy. So if you have never heard of Quirky Crate, where have you been? Please stay on my channel. Please check out the rest of my Quirky Crate unboxings videos if you were looking to have a blast. So Quirky Crate is a monthly subscription box. In this box, you will get a pair of fun socks. I love the socks that I get in my Quirky Crate box. I think my all-time favorite socks, because I wear them constantly, they had aliens on it. It had a UFO abduction on the socks. They're so freaking cool. Plus, in each box, you also get a little pin. You get a piece of flair, so you get a little pin, and you'll get a patch. And I have really sad news this month, guys. Normally, if you've never watched any of my Quirky Crate unboxings, I wear my Quirky Crate jacket. I have a jacket of every single piece of flair that I've ever gotten from Quirky Crate on that jacket. But this month, I have put it aside, and I'm letting it dry because I basically glue my patches on because I don't have an iron to put my patches on. So I'm letting my jacket dry, but yes, okay, so if you want to save money on your very first Quirky Crate box, I will have a coupon code pop up right here so you can save money. Oh, and I forgot to mention, in each box, you'll also get a purse, and I love the purses that I get inside of my Quirky Crate boxes because they remind me so much of the Betsy Johnson aesthetic. Betsy Johnson is my favorite designer. So with that said, let's see what's inside of this month's box. So here's what the inside of the box looks like. It says right here, what does it say? Official member, Quirky Club. That's like the first time I've ever been an official member of anything. Okay, let's rip this bad boy open and see what's inside. I have no idea. I used to like be really bad when it came to like unboxings, and I would like cheat and go on Instagram and be like, ooh, what am I getting this month? But I try so hard not to do that now. So here's what, oh, and another thing that I always forget to mention, this intro is gonna be so long, is each month Quirky Crate features an underground artist, so like a small business, a small artist, and they feature a piece of their art in each box, which I think is so freaking cool. Okay, so there's a sheet here that I'm going to read. You may notice from the product card that the Beach Please enamel pin has been replaced with another pin. Our enamel pin manufacturer is located in Xoxo, China. Sadly, the area was hit with the coronavirus, and all factories and mail have stopped in the area. Unfortunately, they were unable to give us a time frame on when things would start picking back up again. Luckily, our friends at Primitives by Kathy came to the rescue and were able to provide us with some really amazing enamel pins. They even fit this month's theme. Our thoughts are with those who have been impacted by the coronavirus. As always, thank you so incredibly much for your support. XOXO, Rochelle. I'm so sad about like a damper on this box, but I appreciate your communication, Rochelle. You're amazing. Love you, girl. Okay, so let's get inside of this month's box. I am so excited. I'm gonna like show you what I was talking about on the back of the card. I always want to say undercover, but I always mean underground artist of the month. Okay, so let's get into this. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is the enamel pin. This is so cute. It says looking sharp on the enamel pin. It's in a little flower pot, or should I say, is it a cactus pot? I don't know. But this is what it looks like. It's so cute. I love the flair that I get inside of the Quirky Crate boxes. Okay, I'm just so excited. Like I just took a little observation of everything inside of the box, and there's something in here that I'm very interested in seeing what it is because it's wrapped up in tissue paper, and I can see holographic right here. So I'm like, okay, what do we got? What do we got? So let's see. Let's unwrap the tissue paper. Oh, it's a little seashell. I hope it's a compact. That would be so cute. It's a seashell. Let's open it up. Oh, my goodness. I'm so cute. Look at this. I'm even extra cute. I look like, is it possible? Will it stay? No, it's too heavy, but that would be so fun. This is so cute. I love the items that we get inside of Quirky Crate because they're so useful. I've been around the block. I have seen so many subscription boxes, and a lot of them just haven't won my heart over because they send out like junk. They send out stuff that just collects dust on your shelves, and there are so many products that I get inside of Quirky Crate that I find so incredibly useful. Planners, sunglasses, socks, everything that you could think of. And by the way, yes, I did miss my trash can. Okay, so the next thing that I'm pulling out is Happiness is Believing in Unicorns patch, and it says, I love the little stars right here, and it says, I believe. I think this is super cute. I love patches. I love the flair. The next thing that I'm pulling out, I thought it was zombies for like a hot second, and I was like, ugh. Zombies would be such a freaking cool box. That would be a really cool box. Oh, These are so girly. I love it. These are mermaid socks. Look, you've got the kelp and you've got the mermaid on the side. And look, when you stretch out the socks, they're not the kind that are like printed on. So when you like pull the socks, it turns white. Like this is actually like part of the sock. These are so cute. And then the inside is just more kelp. So freaking cute. The next thing I'm pulling out is this month's purse. Is so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, ready? Boom, just in time for summer. I love the flowers on it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna pull open the, just to show you the chain that comes with the purse. I'm not very good at putting them on, especially because of my nails, but this purse is so cute. And it's super roomy on the inside too. Like this purse, it's not playing around. Like I could fit a pair of shoes in here. In all honesty, like if I had like flats or flip-flops, I could fit in here, and a wallet. This is so cute. The next thing I'm pulling out, I have no idea what it is, but it's in a pink bag. Let's see what it is. Is it a bracelet? I don't know, but I see a cactus in here, which is cute. I have no idea what this could be. I don't know, but the little cactus is beaded, and that is so freaking... Okay, let me... Hold on. There we go. Look, the cactus is so cute. But I have no idea what this is used for. Is it like is it a bracelet? Ooh, I may have figured it out. It's big brain time up in here with Elizabeth today. I used, oh, that is so cute. Oh, that is a cute bracelet. Yes. I don't know what just came out of my mouth, but that is so cute. I love that it matches the purse, so you can be full on like cactus action up in here. Yes. And the last thing that I'm pulling out is a product that I have never, ever, ever in the history of Quirky Crate ever received before. And it's a Quirky Crate Cola lip balm from Hope and Hive. That is so cute. I freaking love, 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 love the packaging. That is so cute. That is so precious. Okay, now let's see if it smells like cola. I have lipstick on, so I'm not gonna be able to see if it like tastes like cola, but oh yeah, it really smells like Diet Cola. That is so freaking fun. But I'm 10 out of 10 obsessed with the packaging for this. Okay, so let's go over the total value of this month's Quirky Crate box. It's party time. Okay, so Winter Blues, Dreaming of Warmer Days. We've got you, sister. Oh, that's fun. Okay, so the Cactus Crossbody bag has a retail value of $35. The Beach Please Enamel Pin, which we know about. I don't know what the retail value of this is. There's nothing on it. It says $10. So I'm just going to assume that this also has a retail value of $10. The Hope and Hive Cola Bomb has a retail value of $5. The Mermaid Socks has a retail value of $8. The Iron On Patch, which was the unicorn one, has a retail value of $5. The Shell Compact Mirror has a retail value of $6. And the Cactus Beaded Bracelet has a retail value of $15, bringing the total value of this box to $84. So that is everything that I received in my February Quirky Crate. I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next video.